The Andhra Pradesh Assembly has rejected the Telangana bill just today after Chief Minister Kiran Kumar Reddy dared the government to table the Telangana bill in Parliament. Well, this comes as a huge setback for the Congress after it piloted the bill in the Andhra Assembly.
Organization bill which has been sent by the President of India for expressing its views thereon by the Andhra Pradesh Legislative Assembly has been rejected by the Andhra Pradesh Assembly by a unanimous resolution which had the majority people supporting the resolution to reject the bill which has been proposed by the Government of India, sent by the President of India for expressing its views. And now we request the Honorable President of India not to send this bill to the Parliament against the wishes of the majority, which is the basic principle of the democracy.
This is the victory of Telangana people. This is the victory of TRS party. We achieved. Now, with today, the business is over in Andhra Pradesh Assembly. Now, few days are left for formation of Telangana. We are so confident this will be passed in the Union Cabinet in the first week, and second week this is going to be introduced in the Parliament. The bill will be passed. There is no doubt in this. Whatever the resolution is, that is no way connected with the bill. Bill is separate, resolution is separate. Speaker has very categorically, clearly, he said, so many people are spoke on the bill and so many people are given in writing, and the discussion on the bill is over. So the subject is over. After that, the resolution of the Chief Minister, they took it up. That business is no way connected with the bill. Bill is over. The discussion on the bill is over. That subject is closed.
So you don't think the Assembly's view will have any effect?
No, not at all. How can you say that is Assembly view? Did any voting took place? The Speaker is from Simandhra, Chief Minister is from Simandhra, the opposition leader is from Simandhra. They all together, they just within a half minute voice vote leke this pass ho gaye bolke chale gaye, so that no way connected.
Well, Mridula joins us live with more details on this development. Mridula, obviously coming in as a huge embarrassment for the Congress given the sort of leadership that they've taken on this entire bill. Give us a sense of what really transpired in the Assembly this morning.
Well, the Assembly today is convened for the last day of session because today was the last day that the Assembly had to discuss this AP reorganization bill. The President had given until today for the Assembly and all its members to present their opinion on this bill. As and when the discussion started, it kept getting adjourned because the Simandhra region MLAs kept insisting that a resolution be passed rejecting this bill. And finally, after a couple of adjournments, the Speaker came to the podium and then took a voice vote saying that such a resolution has been moved by the Chief Minister rejecting the bill, and based on a voice vote, he said that a majority voted in favor of the rejection of the bill, and so and thus this resolution is passed, and he has adjourned the Assembly sine die. Now basically this means that most of the majority of the MLAs in the AP Assembly belong to the Simandhra region, and according to his voice vote, they all agreed for the rejection of this bill, and that is the opinion that they are going to send out to the President when they return the bill to be presented in the Parliament. But what the Telangana region MLAs and legislators are saying is that this is by no means the opinion of the entire Assembly, because 119 MLAs from the Telangana region do not support this bill. It is just a majority vote that they had taken, but this is not the opinion of the Assembly. And besides that, this opinion or this resolution or this
Sir, Andhra Pradesh Assembly is resolved to reject the bill. What is your say? Is it the end of the proposal?
अच्छा, आपको यहाँ खड़ा होना है, आ जाइए. आपका प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस करा देते हैं. Yes, Madam is going to say something. Please wait. First of all, the Andhra Pradesh Assembly has debated, discussed and has given comments on the bill which was referred to the Honorable Assembly of Andhra Pradesh by His Excellency the President, and after the extension of 1 week today, the bill would be returned to the President. Therefore, the constitutional requirement of getting comments from the Andhra Pradesh Assembly has been fulfilled. Now it is for the Government of India to introduce the bill in the Parliament after the Cabinet goes through the recommendations, suggestions given by the honorable members of the Andhra Pradesh Assembly. Therefore, the process has completed another milestone which was necessary in the bifurcation of the state. As far as the resolution is concerned, it does not affect the constitutional provisions under Article 3 for the creation of a new state in Indian Union.
But
okay.
How do you see the Chief Minister's move?
Rejected the Telangana bill.
That is,
Don't you think
No, it is not rejected. It is not voted. Telangana bill was not voted. A resolution moved by the Chief Minister was passed by voice vote. There are two different things.
बिहार में भी पहले रिजेक्ट हुआ था, बाद में भेज से फिर दोबारा वो पास कर दिया था.
ऐसा नहीं था. एक बात याद रखिए, the bill is sent for comments, not for a vote on the bill. There is no vote on the bill.
But
how do you look at the Chief Minister's move, sir? Despite of
It was predicted.
Sir, what will be your step in this issue? What will be your step? What will be the step from your side to put this bill in AP Assembly to be passed?
I have no role to play.
Sir, don't you think
It is for the Government of India to introduce the bill.
Sir, don't you think it comes under anti-party,
On this issue, because of the contentious issues and the strong views held by the two sections of Andhra Pradesh congressmen, people from Telangana and people from Seema Andhra, the Congress party has allowed a free vote on this.
Sir, will be passed in the parliament?
We are trying our best.
सर राज्यसभा में रेबल कैंडिडेट भी खड़ा हो गया था आंध्र प्रदेश में.
All right, so that's the latest reaction coming in from Digvijay Singh as far as things stand on this entire situation. Remember, the bill on the Andhra Pradesh reorganization has been rejected.